Hey guys, today I'm here to react to Woon's debut called Bird. I'm very excited for him as it's his solo debut. I am of course sad that WOON disbanded by now, but he still has Hotshot. He has this solo debut. I'm very excited for him and I'm ready to hear this song. So let's get into it. It's a little loud. There we go. Okay. The one book that stands out, Bird. Fascinating. Okay, it's very soft so far, like pastel colors. I love the differences in the color aesthetics. Like there seems to be a set color per scene, which is pretty cool to me. It's so pretty. The sound of it is so beautiful. Wow. He's saying, "I swear to Bird." Something about leaving together. I actually understand some of the lyrics. Look at me go. His makeup looked really pretty right there. It's like a traveler. That's so cute. The blonde hair gives him such soft vibes. I love that. Cute. This is so cute. Oh my god, he's swinging from a cloud. He's so pretty. He has such nice features. This video is really making me appreciate that. Oh, that's pretty. Is he fishing for birds in the sky? Oh my god, that's so funny. I love how they use red as an accent color in every clip too. That's really cool. It's like the contrast. And it's a fish, not a bird. In the sky. So now fish swim in the sky. That'd be a world to live in. So pretty. Oh my god, his voice right there. Oh my god. Such a beautiful song. Wow. Okay, that was one of the most beautiful, soothing things I've ever listened to. It had more so than usual. There's songs I say are beautiful, but this one, it does that in a slightly different way than most. You know, it's not in your face intense emotion. It's more very soothing and pretty, and his very clear vocals. It almost sounds like a bell or the chirping of birds, which makes perfect sense given the title, right? And I think the vibe really is there. Somehow I can really connect the whole sound of the instrumental and his vocals combined here with a bird, which is so strange to think about because you logically don't hear songs and think of birds, but it actually they really made that work. That's really cool. I don't know. Very fascinated, but that was so beautiful, and his voice is just, oh, stunning. He literally sounded as clear as a bird. So pretty. So yeah. And he just looked so soft and stunning. His skin is flawless. Everything was just so soft and smooth and just, very nicely done. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram at Alice on the Internet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.